Hey, clase, let's do a quick review of this. Take a shout out wherever you are. You can just either whisper this, shout this out, think it to yourself. What does poder mean when you put it in the preterite? It's not that you weren't able to, it's that I'm sorry, I said weren't able. What I meant to say was, it's not that you were able, it's that you managed to. In other words, you tried and succeeded. Okay. Uh, no poder, it doesn't really mean that you weren't able, although it kind of does, but it really has the implication of that you failed to do something. You tried and failed. There was an attempt, but it didn't work out. Querer, it's not that you wanted, it's that you meant to, but you actually didn't necessarily do it. No querer, it's not that you didn't want to, it's more like you refused. Estar, hmm, hmm. It's not that you were there as much as it is that you showed up there. You arrived at a place. No estar, you weren't present. Saber, it's not that you knew something, it's that you found out, you learned. No saber, it's not that you didn't know, but that you didn't think to do something. Conocer, it's not that necessarily that you knew someone, but that you met someone. And tener, it's not that you had something, but that you received it. And prefer, it's not that you preferred, it's that you decided to do something, you took action. Okay. Hey, we did a bunch of questions, and I think we ended with we refused to eat our broccoli. No quisimos comer nuestro brécol. We also said no pudo comer el panqueque entero. He couldn't do it. He tried, but he failed to eat the entire pancake or the whole pancake. Number 9, she managed to eat the entire plate of food. Wow, she's a hog. Well, maybe it was a small plate of food. Who knows? Maybe it was a salad. Okay. She not just could eat it, but she did eat it. She was able, and she actually did it. So, ella pudo comer el plato entero. All right. They failed to finish on time. Did they try? Yes, they did. It sounds like they tried. They failed to do it. So, no. Oops, what happened? No pudieron terminar a tiempo. No pudieron is poder in the preterite. It's third person ellos. Terminar is to finish. We conjugate this verb poder, and we leave the second verb that's connected to it in the infinitive. That's the way we always do it. A tiempo is just on time. Easy stuff, right? Number 11, where did you meet my friend Bob? Well, to meet someone or to know someone is conocer. So we're going to put conocer in the preterite, and we're just going to say, donde conociste a mi amigo Bob? Now, here's another thing. It's a verb that you're doing to a person. And with conocer, you always need to use the word a if it's a person that comes after it. So we're doing an action to a person. Bob's the person. Conociste a mi amigo Bob. Hey, next one. Did you get a letter from your parents? It's not that you had the letter. Did you have a letter? It's did you receive a letter? And we're going to say tuviste. Did you have a letter? Did you get a letter from your parents? Now, there's another way to say this, and you're probably thinking of the verb to receive, right? And you would not be wrong if you said recibiste instead of tuviste. All right, so those are interchangeable. And to describe to you exactly when to use one or the other is not really feasible or possible. It's just you got to get out there and see the examples of it. I think I'd probably say recibí or recibiste. More often, I'd say tuviste. But tuvo is he received it. He got it. Number 13, we decided to go out for pizza instead. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking of the verb to decide. Decidimos. Well, decidimos means that you decided, but it doesn't mean you did it. And if you say preferimos, it means that you did it. So, preferimos salir para una pizza. I think you could say both of these things. Preferimos salir para una pizza. Decidimos salir. Preferimos salir. They're really the same thing, okay? I mean, I know I explained the difference, but people are going to say both. All right, so here's another difficulty. Instead. Instead is the word mejor, and or you could also say en vez de. En vez de has a preposition on the end. You can't just take en vez and throw it on the end of a sentence. But instead, pero mejor preferimos salir is like saying but instead. All right, and it sounds a little awkward if you put it at the end. Instead of the other options, we decided to go out for a pizza. We preferred to go out for a pizza. We actually did go out. We went out. So, mejor is instead. Use the word but with it. En vez de is it also the way to express instead. And then when you use en vez de, you need to put something here that makes it look like you decided against one thing and you went with another. Okay. She found out that he is dating her. Ooh, sounds like Messina Central. Let's see. She found out. There's two ways to say this. That you could use the word saber in the preterite. You could say supo. You got to have K with it. You have to have K because she's learning information. And so, ella supo que. She found out that. Él está saliendo con ella. He is going out with her. In other words, he's dating her. Okay, I think we say that in English too. We say, "Hey, she's going out with him. He's going out with her." I'm like, where are they going? If they're going out, where are they going? It's like just standing there. They're not doing anything. Stop kissing. Okay. The other thing you could say is there's a verb called the verb is enterarse, to find out or to learn. And you could use that verb instead of supo. Se enteró que is just like supo que. 15. I didn't think to bring my backpack. I didn't know to bring my backpack. Hey, where's your backpack? Well, I didn't think to bring it. I didn't know I had to bring it. This is saber in the no form in the preterite. So we'd say no supe traer mi mochila. No supe is I didn't think to. I didn't know to traer mi mochila, to bring my backpack. And okay. Hey, tell you what, that's the end of this. I'm not going to do anything else today because it's Friday. You guys are great. Make sure you do the exit ticket and have a great day.